There are 4 different types of chemical reactions. The first one is a synthesis reaction, also known as a combination reaction. You're basically bringing things together and you're making one product. So you may want to make a note here that you're going to have one product. Okay, A plus Z makes compound AZ. That's just a generic equation for a synthesis reaction. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay, so you want to look for one product. All right, number 2. The second type of chemical reaction is a decomposition reaction. That's when you have one reactant and that reactant breaks apart. So here you may want to make a note that you have one reactant. So when you have compound AZ breaking apart into elements A and Z, that's a decomposition reaction. The third type of a reaction is a single replacement reaction. Single replacement reactions have an element reacting with a compound. They can either list the element first and the compound second, or the compound first and the element second. Does that make sense? So here you have element A reacting with compound BZ, and you're going to make a different compound, AZ, and you're spitting out another element by itself, which is element B. So it's an element and a compound reacting, okay? So if I give you those reactants, you should be able to figure out that it's a single replacement reaction. The fourth type of chemical reaction is a double replacement reaction. A double replacement reaction has 2 compounds reacting together, and you make 2 different compounds. Let's do a practice problem. Student exercise number 3. Classify the following reactions. Sodium oxide reacts with water to make sodium hydroxide. I have one product.
Combination. Synthesis.
Yeah, combination or synthesis reaction.
Can we just put SC?
Yes, you could put S for synthesis or C for combination.
Oh.
Okay, you don't have to write it out.
Okay.
Wait.
I know how much you hate writing things out. It just takes too much effort.
My wrist.
You want to conserve energy.
When I do it. So yeah.
How do you know what's the synthesis or combination?
When you have one product.
Okay, wait, let's
It's
do the
both.
next one.
It can be both.
Okay? You
They
can
mean
write
the same.
synthesis or combination. They mean the same thing.
Oh, is the next one?
The next one, I have a compound, barium nitrate, reacting with another compound, potassium sulfate, to form barium sulfate.
Double
potassium-
replacement.
Yeah! Double replacement. I'm going to write DR. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Wait, what?
DR, double
Double
It's double replacement.
Okay.
Okay. Letter C. Aluminum is reacting with iron 3 oxide. So I have an element reacting with a compound.
Single
Single
replacement.
replacement. So I'm going to put SR. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Letter D. Hydrogen peroxide is breaking down into water and oxygen.
Decomposition.
Decomposition. Is this easy?
No.
Wait, why?
Yeah, that makes sense.
I have one, look, H2O2, I have one reactant. Okay? Which one of those did I tell you had one reactant?
Decomposition.
Got it.